Hello, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how I went from these crusty looking nails to some affordable bombshell salon finish looking nails. Okay, so if you want to see how I got these beautiful pairs, then keep on watching. So just before we jump right into the video, I know I did mention in the beginning about going from some crusty looking nails to some bombshell looking nails, but the truth of the matter is that sense of style is very subjective, okay? So if your vibe are short nails, crusty nails, go for it, who cares? And if what you're feeling are long nails of whatever length, of whatever color, go for it as well. It doesn't matter. I mean, as long as your nails are not like visibly dirty to the point where you're spreading infection, then it doesn't matter. Just do you, all right? And to be honest, most of the times I actually have my nails looking this short and crusty anyways, but who cares? I don't care. I don't care, but once in a while I like to zhuzh up my nails, I like to play with them, I like to make them feel pretty, and that's what this video is all about. Okay, so yeah, there goes my disclaimer. All right, so these are the natural nails that God gave me. And these are the false nails that we're going to be working with. I mean, how gorgeous are they? I think what attracted me to them were the animal print designs that you can see on them. Because I've never worn anything like this. I'm usually a team pink or a team red when it comes to nails. You know, just safe colors really. But when I saw these, I was like, ooh, I have to try this. Because I've always wanted to try something different anyway. So I thought this was just perfect for that. To do our nails, we're going to be needing some nail polish remover and some nail pads, as you can see. We're also going to be needing some nail files. A little backstory with these ones. The day I decided to film my video was the day my daughter decided she was going to play with these files and she eventually broke them. You know what, I still ended up working with them. They still did the job anyway, so I didn't feel the need to go out there and buy a new nail file. So just work with what you have. We're also going to be needing a cuticle nipper or a cuticle trimmer to take off any excess cuticle after drilling, and these are the ones that I'm going to be working with. If you have a cuticle scissors, you can use that as well. Okay, so these are the nail drill that I'm going to be using. It's very basic and very inexpensive. It comes with different 6 different tips that you can interchange while you're drilling your nails to achieve like different finishes, but I usually just use 2, and I'm going to be showing you the 2 that I normally use. Okay, if you're interested in this particular drill, I'm going to have it down in the description box so you can check it out. It's like I said, it's very basic, very inexpensive, and it does the job. Look, I'm not even a professional, okay, but this works for me. Let's jump right into the actual tutorial. The first thing I like to do is to file my nails. So to push back my cuticles, I usually use a toothpick. Like I said earlier, I'm not a professional, but this does work for me, okay? They do the job of pushing back my cuticles. So push back your cuticles after you're done filing your nails, and the next thing we're going to be doing would be to start the drilling process. I'm just going to be changing the tip on my nail drill because these are not the ones I'm going to be initially working with. That way you can see how to switch up from one drill tip to another, in case you buy something like this or in case you have something like this. So switching it up is very easy. You just want to loosen up the outer knob, and then once you've gotten that knob out, you then take out the inner coat, just like you see me doing. So here I'm just comparing the tip that we're going to be using as opposed to the one that I just removed. The one that I just removed is very round and smooth, whereas the one we're going to be using for the first phase of our drilling is quite sharp and pointy, and that just helps to dig into your cuticle and really separate the cuticle from your nails. To insert the drill tip is very easy as well. All you want to do is take the drill tip of your choice, you add it to the inner coat, after which you add on the outer knob. And once you have all those three elements together, you just want to take it and fix it or screw it onto the actual drill body. Once you're done with that, connect it to some electric source, and this is the sound that you should hear once you power it on. Once your drill is set, you're ready to start drilling away, but take your sweet time when you're doing this so you don't injure yourself. I'm talking from experience. In the beginning, I used to injure myself a lot, but I've gotten, much more better with handling this. So just be very careful and take your time. Just like with anything in life, nothing good comes easy. So if you really want your press-on nails to last longer, more than a day or 2, 3 days, 4 days, you really want to go through this process of, drilling your nails. It really does help. It comes a long way, I promise you. Drilling your nails just prepares your nails and gives it that nice foundation. That way, when you're applying your false nails, you're not just placing it on top of your real nails. You're actually pushing it and digging it into your nail bed. That way, they can last even longer. After drilling, you want to take your cuticle nipper and take out any excess cuticle that came out of the process. Again, you want to be very careful when you're doing this. This cuticle nipper in the beginning was very scary for me to use, but once I got a hang of it, I, just went with the flow. So you can either use this or you can use a cuticle scissors to take out your cuticle, like I said in the beginning. So just find out which one works for you and go with that. Here I'm just changing my drill tip to the one with the rounder and smoother ends, and I'm going to be using this to smoothen out any rough areas of my cuticle. Once I'm done, I'm just going to take out my nail polish remover to clean up my nails, after which the foam part begins. So these are the nails that we're going to be working with. I love these designs. Oh my god, this is so new for me, and even like the black as well is very new to me. I haven't worn anything like this, and they actually feel very firm. They don't feel flimsy at all. The first thing you want to do is to select which false nails best pairs with your own natural nails. It just makes the application process fast and easy. When it comes to glue application, I like to apply my glue on my actual nail as well as the false nails. Once your glue have been applied, you want to take your false nails, gently push them into your nail bed, press it down and hold for about 20 to 30 seconds. Pressing it down for this long would really help your false nails to last longer, okay? These false nails actually does come with its own glue, so you don't need to go out there to buy your own glue, and the glue actually does work. It really holds it down. Another suggestion I have in order to make your press-on nails last longer is to avoid water in the first 24 hours of, applying them. And if you really need to come in contact with water, you can use some hand gloves just to protect your nails. Guys, if you want your press-on nails to last, you really need to follow these steps religiously. When I wear press-on nails, they last me for about 2 weeks or so. And even at that, I usually get bored and I end up removing them even before then. Like, I just want to switch it up, or I just want to have my nails bare, whatever the vibe I'm feeling really. So yeah, just follow the steps and your press-on nails will last. Like, they won't be falling off after a day or 2. To finish my nails off, I like to use my coconut oil as my cuticle oil. I have some cuticle oil, but I don't know, I just always gravitate towards coconut oil. So I use that around my cuticles and all around my nails to give it that nice shine and that nice glow. And then if you're up for it, you can style your nails with some nail jewelries. These ones, I bought them from AliExpress. I'm going to be leaving the link down in the description box below if you're interested. They're so pretty. All that's left is for you to show off your beautiful nails and take some cute pictures with them. We've come to the end of this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. I definitely enjoyed making it. I hope you learned a thing or two that would help make your press-on nails last a bit longer. If you did enjoy this video, why don't you give me a thumbs up? And if you're not subscribed, girl, come on, join the family, support the family, hit that subscribe button, and I'm going to be seeing you very, very soon. And until then, remain blessed and take care of yourself. Bye bye.